everyone, today I am sharing with you a simple DIY. For this, all you need are a photo frame, marble contact paper, letter stickers and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. I started off by removing the insert from the photo frame and laying it on the contact paper and tracing out how much I needed, and then I cut it out with a pair of scissors. I then took some gold spray paint and painted the letter stickers. I was going for a marble and gold theme. I then faintly drew straight lines across the paper with the good intentions of sticking the letters straight. I wanted to spell out "Count your blessings." These letter stickers can be got at any fancy store. They were priced at ₹5 per sheet. I then took a paintbrush and brushed away the excess paint that was stuck to the letters. And there you go. Your tabletop decor is ready. Hope you like this video. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.